Not necessarily a giant, but that is a big native brook trout that came unpinned to my net. Morning, guys. Well, I guess it might not be morning for you, but it's morning for me. It's like 5:30 in the morning. But with that said, I'm gonna get hiked in here. I think I got to go up and down a couple of these hills before I get there. I think I got like a mile hike in. And then we can get to fishing right away. Pretty pumped to see how this is gonna go. So with that said, let's get after it. There's not much bug activity. So, not putting a dry fly on yet. I don't know what they eat in here. I think we're gonna start with the copper and the silver bead. We're gonna go flashy up top and natural on the bottom. So I'm gonna get this rigged up and we're gonna get over here and start fishing. More starter fishing here. Fish. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh man, is that a brook trout? Wow. Okay. That's not what I expected. Yeah. That was freaking awesome. You are not what I expected to catch, bro. Are you a native? Look at that freaking thing. You might be one of the biggest natives I ever caught. Later, little buddy. Almost dipped my camera in the water, but I'm pumped about that freaking brook trout. That's not what I thought I was after in here, but if I'm gonna catch my biggest brook trout ever today, I'm gonna be freaking jacked. Yes. This is the first run I fished today, and well, I have a ton of access to be able to fish this morning, so I don't need to get stuck right here fishing the hole that everybody probably fishes. But it was nice to get my first fish of the day and have it be a native brook trout at that. So with that said, I'm gonna start moving upstream, trying to find the next good run, and well, I'll see you when we catch the next fish. Fish. Ah, you guys, that was a brook trout again. Just a little guy. That was fish number 2. Little guys are hard to keep pinned on the barbless hooks. Right now I'm flying this drone just to see what's coming up. It looks like I might have to walk a ways to get to the good section. How do I get out of here? I'm dropping this thing in the water. Fish. Oh, that was another brook trout, you guys. Shoot. I was gonna start moving and I wasn't paying attention. But that's 3 fish and I only landed 2 of them. But at least they all came out of the water. Shoot. I need a bigger one to stick. Yeah, maybe I should have fished up the creek. That's another one. Get in my net. Thank you, buddy. Well, this dude ate behind me. Man, you gotta love when that happens. Later, little buddy. Don't go down to my feet, please. All right. Little brookies in big water. Hopefully, we can find that one's grandma. Fish. That's a little bit better one. Oh yeah, buddy. Man, you're one of the chunkiest brook trouts I've caught around here. You're pretty good river fish. Oh, and he ate the top one. So he was looking up. Thank you, buddy. Beautiful native brookie out of the big water. Stop going towards my feet, fish. Man, that was the second one I did that. But I think we can pull another one out of here now. And we got another nice run right there, so things are looking up. It's hard to fish in a new river, especially a bigger water river, because you don't know where the fish are going to be. But I just pick it apart like I would a smaller river, and eventually I seem to do all right once I figure out whereabouts the fish are. I'm gonna hike through here for a while and see what we can find. There's potential for me to catch my biggest brook trout I've ever caught in my life in this run. So I'm gonna take my time, push up pretty slowly, figure out what's going on, and hopefully find a giant fish. Man, you guys, I thought that if I hiked up here, that this run was gonna be good. Shoot. It looks freaking awesome. There should be fish in here. Somebody might have fished the crap out of it yesterday though. We're about to try something a little bit different. So I rigged up this pink 6X tippet. We're about to put this mini jig on here. Mini jig leech thing. See if maybe a little bit lighter pink tippet helps. And see if maybe this little bit bigger leech helps us get down and track better in the water. Fish. Did you eat the leech? Yeah, you did too. Little tiny brookie ate the leech. That was pretty awesome. That's not what I expected to happen. I thought that if something ate this leech, it was going to be a bigger fish, but it's not. Little guy. And I was hoping getting one fish on the leech meant I was going to get some more. When I saw this run, I expected a bigger fish than that little tiny guy to come out of it. That's for sure. I'm in a freaking lull here. I just swapped out my bottom fly again. Hopefully we can find some more fish. Should be a freaking giant down in there. Guys, there should be a freaking giant. Not necessarily a giant, but that is a big native brook trout that came unpinned to my net. Man, I was getting really bummed out. And then all of a sudden, bam! We got the best one yet. That's freaking awesome. Yes. Son of a bitch! You guys, I am having no luck with these fish. I really wanted to picture that fish. That was probably my biggest native brook trout ever. I took my net off. I set it up in the water so the fish would be okay and shouldn't have been able to jump out, and it found a way to jump out. Son of a biscuit. Man, oh man. That sucks, but hopefully we can find another one of them things. My Atlanta. That was the best looking, biggest native brook trout I ever caught in my life. Also, I thought there was supposed to be brown trout in here. That's what I thought I was actually fishing for. Anybody that watches these videos, or anybody that fishes in the Adirondacks and knows exactly where I am. Is there brown trout in here, or is this just the brook trout stream? And I feel like there should have been some hungry brown trout by now. Fish. Oh, another brook trout. Man, you guys. I need another one of the big ones though. He's just a little guy. Man. Later, little buddy. I need your grandma. Shoot. I don't know which way I want to go here, you guys. Looks like I want to fish this over here. But it also looks like I might want to fish some stuff over there. This is the type of water that I fish the most. Oh my God, and I just sent him to the moon. Sorry, brook trout. Man, that was ridiculous. Well, that was another fish, but I didn't need to send him to the moon. There's another one though. Man, we find a little micro spot. Man, just let me hold you for a second. Wham, these things are pretty little fish though. Later, little buddy. Another one. Man, these guys are freaking tiny. Get out of the hook. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's my first brown trout of the day. You guys, normally I'm mad when I see a brown trout in a brook trout stream, but that's the first one I've seen all day, and well, that's what I thought I was fishing for, so maybe we still have a chance of finding the giant. Man, let's get after it. What do we got? I almost got to head back. I'd like to catch one more nice fish. Looks like there's some nice water right around that corner, so I'm gonna at least mob up to that corner before I call it quits. Every corner you go around, there's something else nice looking that's really far away. And now I did it. This is my last run on fishing on the Saranac River. As soon as I passed that creek back there, I didn't get another bite, so wondering if that has something to do with it. I'm gonna head back and head up that creek and see if maybe I can't pull one out of there, but I got one here. Shoot, you guys. Well, we had one more and we lost one. Crazy how one more fish can make you keep going though. But I gotta stop even though this place just keeps getting more epic and epic. Sometimes you gotta know when to call it. And I'm past that point. I made it back to where I gotta try to climb out to the road. See if I can't make my way back to my car, but I'm a little bloody. My camera just took a spill, so hopefully that thing's not broken. Oh man, kind of bummed about that, but I gotta climb this freaking hill and get back and go climb a freaking mountain, you guys. So, I might throw a couple of those clips in here now. But with that said, if you made it this far into this video, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching the whole thing. And you might want to subscribe so you don't miss the next one of these. I got a couple Adirondack videos to put out. And I'm out.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the
This thing's so big and fought so hard. I thought I had him snapped.
Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.